Chicken and dumplings is a really great comfort food, and it's really simple to make. All you need are a few ingredients. To start out with, you need carrots, onions, and celery. You're also going to need some chicken. I like to use chicken thighs. Put the chicken in a pan of water and let it boil. Once it's fairly cooked, you can take it out and put it on a plate and allow it to cool some. Remove the skins and cut the chicken into small chunks. Bite-sized pieces are preferable. The next thing you're going to need is either chicken stock or chicken bouillon. I prefer to use the chicken bouillon because I can calculate how much I need based on how many cups of water are in the pot. Once I put the bouillon into the pot and the chicken back in, then it's time to put the carrots in. I like to use the bag carrots. They're easy and they're already cut up. Chop up an onion and some celery, and then put that into the mix with everything else. Allow it to boil until the carrots are fairly done to your taste. Now it's time to prepare the dumplings. I like to use Jiffy baking mix. The dumplings come out light and airy. They're really fluffy and not chewy, just the way I like them. All you need is 2 cups of flour and 2/3 cup of milk. Put it in a bowl, mix it together. Once the dumplings are ready, then you want to make sure that your soup is at a rolling boil. Spoon on the dumplings using maybe a tablespoon. Spoon them all over the top of the surface, and that makes them just right. Now you want to make sure that you turn the heat down to low. And then you want to cover them. Keep them covered and resist the urge to lift the lid. Cook them for exactly 12 minutes. Remember, resist the urge to lift the lid. When you're all done, this is what they should look like. And there you have it, a nice bowl of chicken and dumplings. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.